Hi, my name's Libby and I'm at Misty Mountain Retreat, and we've had a wonderful week here. I've come up with a large group and we've all come up with different health issues, some a little bit more severe, some a little bit less severe, such as sinus issues and weight issues, kidney infections, and we've all been helped this week with all our issues. It's just been a wonderful experience here. The exercise, the food's been magnificent, and every dish has been a surprise. Every meal is a different meal, and it's just been wonderful. The weather's been great, and we've had a lot of fun, a lot of laughter, and meeting new people every day, getting to know different people, and the lectures have been fantastic as well. Learnt a lot. Knew a lot of the information, but just didn't know how to put it together, and that's been a big plus for me. Thank you.